Hello, hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and show you another kit, and this is the custom made order from a member in my group, Facebook kit group. And yeah, she liked the cupcake book that I made there recently, that I posted a video, and that one is already sold out. So she asked to make again another one for her daughter. And yeah, she want to combine the make like a baby boat in cupcake tea party theme. So I make this one. Let me to show you one by one, and this is a lot of thing and lots of work to do this. And usually I didn't measure the size of the basket compared with the first basket that I made. So I think this one is longer and yeah, size, but anyway, it's okay. Luckily is can fit in to this I think it can fit in this envelope, but it is overweight, so I have to ship it in another package. Anyway, I'll show you. For this kit, you will receive some of these crochet little flower to decorate the bowl. It's a crochet flower, and this is in the yellow, and also I include in the pearl. I think it's the 10 to 4, 10, around 10, and the blue also 10. So 10 of this, and also in this beautiful tiny flower. The middle you can put the pearls or whatever you like. I didn't put anything here, so just leave it as so. Also in 10 pieces, and also some extra pin for you to do the charm. I want to include the maybe just anyway, I just include the pin for you to hang the little thing in the book or make a charm. Okay, so this is the flower, and also I provide these two little tiny in the cupcake theme. Of course, inside I also have something. I crochet a little tiny teacup and embroidered. You can see I embroidered the little flower, and you have this only one side, so you can use the pen and make the charm or hang in the book here. Super cute. So I make two, so I put inside here. And this one, okay, I also make some of the strawberry, so you can hang into. And this one is the cherry, and also cherry in the red. Cherry, this is the color. So you see how to make the bow. Super cute. I really enjoy to make something like this kind of theme. And I also include one of these to put all these tiny crochet thing. It's a donut and cookies. I didn't make the like a ring, so if you want you can use a pin and hang like so, or you just use a needle and make the ring. You can just hang like this, like so, to make a charm. Yeah, I didn't do anything because maybe sometimes you want to just sew on here, so I didn't do anything of this one. So I make more extra tiny cupcake. Yeah, you can see, if you want you can, I just sew 2 on top here. Yeah, if you don't want you can, yeah, just remove this, because I just use a needle and sew, so you can cut out, see what you want to do. Okay, yeah, you can do like so. You can decorate the bowl like so. See how you play with this, and put some cookie here, and also got one big donut. This one is the first make, because it's too big, but anyway I just include here, and another one here. I got one tiny one. See how you play with this. Okay, and actually I want to make the macaron too, but it's already overweight. So I just control myself and stop make crochet, and the postage is quite expensive, so I just, yeah, stop making. Yeah, just like so. So you can decorate your book like so. Okay, let me do. This. Okay, so you can decorate your book like so, like this. Okay, anyway, I put back everything here, and also you can make a ring to hang, to make a charm for your book. So just like this, I put here, and remove the book first. I'll show you little something, little thing here, and I also crochet some of these tiny cupcake with the cherry and with the leaf, and crochet make different. Okay, so you can play with this and do big cupcake. Yeah, you can use this to make a pocket. Okay, hold on a second. And this is also is a donut. It's a flat one for you to put in the bowl. And I follow the tutorial from the YouTube. And if you're interested, I can pop the link below the description box, so you can make by your own. Everything is I also, yeah, follow the tutorial from YouTube, and some is I purchased the pattern from Etsy, and this one also follow the tutorial from YouTube. So this one you can make a pocket like this, so pretty. Okay, and of course, tea party book, we will have a cup of tea, and this is the tea bag, and a little tiny spoon, and a crochet tea pot. Okay, and yeah, you can decorate with the cupcake here. Okay, so this is, and I show you the basket. I show you the book first, and yeah, frosting, crochet frosting here, and I sew 2 cupcake here to hold the book. And this all set is washable, cause yeah, she give her grandbaby, so yeah, it's washable. It's better way, cause can wash if sometimes it's dirty. So everything here It's crochet, no printed image from my computer, so everything you can wash here, and no glue. Everything is hand sew and machine sew by machine. So yeah, this is the book. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pictures for you to play with this book. So and tick up here. So all this you can make a cupcake here, decorate. You can pick the baby picture or whatever, and yeah, everything is so cute. So this is the back. Okay, and I chose this color cause is, yeah, you can put some different colorful color on top. Is, yeah, came out, looks beautiful. And for the basket, as you can see, also with the frosting here, and actually you can see the different yarn and different color, cause this is I run out this yarn, so I use this one to match with this color, so it came out beautiful too. And here, so, and the fabric is, I believe is Wa give me this fabric last, yeah, when we do a swap or birthday gifts you send me. I sew on the felt and put this here and the back here, crochet. So everything is hand sew, and yeah, some is a machine sew. So yeah, you can wash this, put inside the washing machine. No, I think better is hand wash. Okay, and of course this is a baby book, and she requests some alphabet and numbers, so I crochet the numbers here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Okay, and alphabet, you can see the alphabet here, and I do the embroidery work on each letters. So you see, it turned out so pretty. Okay, and so cute. And the tutorial also follow from the YouTube. H I J K. Everything I embroider. Yeah, to the little tiny embroidery work here. And see, yeah, I put that. That's so pretty. I like it. Hope you all like this kit. And O P and Q and R and S, and this one, and T U V W X and Y here and Z here. Okay, so all this is a item for the kit. So I really hope, yeah, who ordered this will like this kit, cause yeah, you know, I put lots of love and time to make this kit. So yeah, really hope who, yeah, order this will enjoy everything here. Okay, let me to put everything here, and I will ship it out by next Monday to take, yeah, probably it's next week, because I have to, maybe tomorrow is Friday, yeah, post office open. Yeah, see if cannot make it by tomorrow, so I will ship it by next Monday. So yeah, all this is the item. for this kit, and hope you all will love this. And yeah, just give me a big thumbs up if you all like this, and just leave me a comment. I really enjoy to read all the comments, and yeah, please and thank you, and give me a big thumbs up. It's really encouraging me for 2 more project and video to show you all. And yeah, and bye bye.